Hi guys, this is not really a happy video because when I was scrolling through Facebook I came across this post saying Lewis Tomlinson's mum's died, and it made me really upset. She died from leukemia and she was taken from this world too soon, and I feel really sorry for Lewis Tomlinson and his family, and I wish them all the best. And as directors, we just got really terrible news today. I hope she rests in peace, and I love you, Joanna, and we're all thinking of you and wish you all the best in heaven, and hope you're watching down on Lewis Tomlinson family, and I just wish you all the best. And Daisy, Phoebe, Felicity, Lottie and Doris and Ernest, I want you to all stay strong, and we're all thinking of you. All of us directors want you to stay strong for your mum, and just have a happy Christmas and just try and be happy. And your mum was taken too so soon, she didn't even reach Christmas, but we're all thinking of you all, and we're all thinking of you, and we all love you so much, and especially me. Lewis Tomlinson has lost his mum too soon, but she has gone to live with the angels, and we will miss her forever, and I hope she has a great life in heaven. Bye guys, sorry about this video, it was so sad. I just wanted to make this video for Joanna and Lewis's family because I thought it was needed. Love you all, bye guys.